Hi everyone, I hope you are all having a fantastic day. Today's topic is the ListView.builder. ListView is a very important widget in Flutter. It is used to create the list of children, but when we want to create a list recursively without writing code again and again, then ListView.builder is used to instead of the list view. ListView.builder create a scrollable linear array of widgets. ListView.builder by default does not support the child reordering. First import material.dart package. Put the semicolon. Press the enter. Type the main method. Put the round bracket and put the curly bracket. In the main method, type the run method. Put the round bracket. In the run app method, define the material app widget and give the title. Type the title. Put the single inverted comma and type the title. Put the semicolon. Type the home widget. Type ListViewBuilder. And put the round bracket. Let's create the stateful widget. Type STFUL and press the enter. Define the name of the stateful widget. ListViewBuilder. Now remove the container text and type the scaffold. Put the round bracket. Now I create the app bar widget and give the title. Type the app bar. Again type the app bar. Remove the comma and put the round bracket. I want the title in the center. For that, type center title and give the value true. Type the title. Type the text. Put the round bracket and put the single inverted comma. ListView.builder. Example. Put the semicolon. Put the comma here and press the enter. Type the body and type the ListView.builder. Put the round bracket and press the enter. Now I want the 14 list style. For that I type item count and type the value. You can see every title has a different number and the same title. For number I type the item builder. Put the round bracket and type the build context. Type the context, comma, type the int and type the index. Remove the comma and put the curly bracket. Type the return and type the list type. Press the enter. First I give the leading icon. Type the leading, type the icon, put the round bracket and type the icons dot today. Put the semicolon here. If you want to give the trailing icon, then type the trailing. Trailing icon, icons dot and select the icon. I don't want to give the icon. Now type the title. Type the text. Put the round bracket and put the single inverted comma. Type the day. Put the dollar sign and type the index. Now run the project. Now I remove the debug banner and give the color to the title and the leading icon. Type here debug show checkered mode banner and give the value false. Now apply the color to the leading icon. Give the comma here, press the enter and type the color. Type the colors dot, select the color. I select the deep orange. Give the comma here. Type the style, type the text style, remove the comma and put the round bracket. Now type the color, type the colors dot, select the color. I select the deep orange. Also apply the font weight and the font size. Font weight, again type the font weight dot, select the bold, put the comma, type the font size, give the 25.0. Now again run the project. Now I change the color of the title and select the different color. Again run the project. Now you can see the result. Well, that's it for today. See you in the next lecture.